We don't need to associate ourselves with anyone.
Yeah.
Such stories should be judged in a logical manner, in a proper way, and we shouldn't make concocted stories or novels or the fictions of our history. We have that information from the Veda books, which Rigveda is among the most popular among them is Rigveda, right? And then we come towards the present history, that where we are and what we are doing. And also a Pashtun making things ethnic or politicizing the ethnicity is wrong thing. We should try our best to do something good in the modern world. We should educate our youth to utilize our mineral wealth, to utilize our hydel power, to utilize the fertility of our land. That will be a good contribution to the Pashtun culture, to the Pashtun society, and to the Pashtun nation. Instead of making symbols, for example, I usually tell people that if somebody has green clothes and a green hair and green shoes and a green sheet around his shoulders, and he make universities for you, he make hospitals for you, and he make route for many development, is he a good Pashtun, or the one who is doing nothing? And he has a red sheet, red shoes, red clothes, red hat over his head. So these symbols mean nothing. Actually, we should work for the development of humanity and our nation. And when we are useful people, our life will be better. We will be respected everywhere. For example, when we talk of our nation, we do nothing. And we say Allah will do this. But when we get headache, we run away to the shop and bring paracetamol, right? We are not leaving our head to Allah that He will cure it, right?
Yeah.
So Allah supports us. Allah supports everyone. But the first condition is that you will exhaust all the resources and all your potential to achieve the specific target. And when you do that, then Allah will support. If you are leaving everything to Allah like this is illogical. Allah is a just ruler. He does justice.
Yes.
So if one brother is working hard and the other is doing nothing, and the one who is doing nothing, he is ruling the world, and the one who is working hard, he is a slave, then it is not justice.
Yes.
And we shouldn't expect such injustices from Allah. We should work hard like the developed nations. And when we do that, then Allah will support us, and we should expect something from Allah. Then we will develop. So the main thing is that we must be humane, and only Pashtuns have a global vision. If you meet individual Pashtuns, they will tell you that they take care of every living thing in their environment and their humanity and around them. So if we make a global sort of vision for our nation, that will be more useful than limiting ourselves towards specific caste or ethnicities or things like that. But academically, everyone should know that who is who. But it is just an academic question. It has nothing to do with politics or any other modern thing. We feel proud of that.